The Verdict Clause by Michelangelo Palla. Chapter 9. Taking the fight public, Harper filed the motion to unseal the Crest Farms settlement and challenge the gag clause. The court date was set, drawing local press and legal watchdogs. Crest Farms' response was swift and hostile. Their legal team argued that reopening the case would undermine settled law and violate contractual obligations. Harper faced off against seasoned corporate lawyers, but he had something they underestimated: the truth and the voices of those who suffered. Chapter 10. The courtroom battle begins. The courtroom was packed on the first day. Reporters scribbled notes. Family members sat with clenched jaws. Harper presented the evidence, the memos, the sealed clause, and the testimonies of the plaintiffs. Opposing counsel objected at every turn, but the judge allowed Harper to make his case. Tension filled the room as Crest Farms attorneys prepared to dismantle the new allegations. Chapter 11. The Cross-Examination. The courtroom held its breath as Harper approached the witness stand. Dr. Elaine Moritz's recorded deposition was the linchpin of his case, the voice of truth silenced for decades. Opposing counsel, Thomas Caldwell, a veteran of corporate litigation, leaned forward with a sly smile.
Dr. Moritz, isn't it true you were paid handsomely in the settlement? How can we trust your testimony isn't biased by money?
Harper objected immediately, but the judge allowed the question. In the recorded video, Elaine's steady voice cut through the courtroom.
Money was never my goal. My conscience couldn't be bought. I sought to protect unborn children from harm. The company's lies nearly destroyed my career, and nearly my life.
Caldwell pressed hard, trying to poke holes in her statements, but the raw honesty shone through. Harper's heart pounded. This was the turning point. Chapter 12. The Turning Point. The following day, an unexpected visitor took the stand, a former Crest Farm executive, Mark Reynolds. He spoke of internal meetings, cover-ups, and orders to suppress data. His voice wavered but never broke.
This company put profits over people, Reynolds said. I couldn't stay silent anymore.
His testimony rocked the courtroom, forcing Crest Farms' legal team into retreat. Chapter 13. The Verdict. After 2 weeks of relentless testimony and legal wrangling, the jury retired. Hours later, they returned with a unanimous verdict. Crest Farm was liable for damages and ordered to compensate the plaintiffs beyond the original settlement. The courtroom erupted. Harper felt a flood of relief, but also a heavy weight. Justice was served, but at great cost. Chapter 14. Aftermath and reflection back in his apartment, Harper sat alone, the city's lights twinkling beyond the window. The fight had changed him. He'd exposed corruption, given voice to the voiceless, but the scars remained. Miriam's words echoed in his mind. The truth has a way of resurfacing. He knew the battle for justice was never truly over. But for now, the verdict was enough.